Hello everyone! After we're done with the petals, pollen, and leaves, I think you are all ready to start drawing the flowers now. The flower that we'll draw is called Lewisia. If you are ready, let's add the original picture to the canvas. I will set the canvas size at 3000 by 3000 pixels. I am now using the selection tool to select only the flower. Then select Remove and delete the unwanted part. And I'll reduce the opacity of this layer 1. After that, I'll add a layer and rename it Sketch. Then I'll choose the Freya Peppermint brush. Select a black color and let's get started. I'll start with the pollen. Just trace what you see. Trace the exact shape of the pollen. This is quite like the warm-up part we did in the pollen drawing chapter. There are two parts, the anthers and the filaments. There's nothing complicated here, just trace what you see. The more details you trace, the easier it will be when you paint. Take your time on this one, so the coming steps will be easier to work on. If you feel like the original picture is too pale, you can always increase the opacity, so you can see it clearly. Okay, we're almost done with the pollen. Let me erase here a little bit. Let's move to the petals. Draw the petal outline, make it a little delicate and curvy. After outlining, don't forget the details inside. See? There are streaky lines on the petals. The more precise you are with this step, the easier it becomes with the painting step. Now the next petal. Don't forget the curve and waviness of the outline. Be patient. Draw a line to separate the two colors, so you'll know where is white and where is pink. Now draw the petals pattern, so when we paint the color, we know exactly how it looks. Done! Let's move to the next petal. There are quite a lot of petals. Be patient and take your time. Don't rush. If you're tired, feel free to pause the video. When we're done with the sketching, we'll move on to the next step. Okay, the sketching is done. I'll adjust the opacity of the layer 1 back to 100%. Move it to the side. We'll now choose the color. I'm using the Freya hard brush to choose the color from the original picture. Now choose light pink. This will be the color of most parts of the petals. Then the darker pink color. The next one is also pink but with a red tint. And a yellow color. The next one is the brownish orange here. Then I'll choose a color from the white part of the petal, but it actually looks grayish pink. The next color is yellowish beige. Let me delete the original picture, but you don't have to. Now add a layer and change the name to base. Don't forget to reduce the opacity of the sketch layer. Then choose the Freya shaping pen brush and choose the light pink color. Then we'll create a shape by following what we sketched. You can see that this step is similar to the warm-up step in the previous chapter, where we did the petals, leaves, and pollen. You should already know what to do with this step. Don't forget that when we create a shape, all the lines must meet. If it's ready, fill it with a color. After filling the color, slide it a bit to the right, adjusting the color drop threshold to prevent the white gap. Okay, we've created the shape. The next step is to make the shadow with a dark pink color. If you're ready, see you in the next episode.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like or leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. As a thank you, loyal subscribers receive a 10% discount on my wildflowers in Procreate Volume 1. Check the description for coupon code. See you in the next video.